Hi guys, this section is asking you to calculate sales tax. So different states and different counties even in some states have different percentage of sales tax. So when you go to the store and they say, well, that costs $264, when you go to pay, it's not going to be $264 because you have to add on the sales tax. So it's good to know where you're at, what the sales tax is. So again, it changes. So in Utah, in some places it's as low as 4%. In some places it's as high as 9%. So a quick Google search can tell you what sales tax is in your area. So we're going to calculate this. I'm going to open Desmos and I'm going to use scientific. And I want 7.5% of 264. Okay, so the sales tax is $19.80, and it's asking us what's the total amount we're going to pay. So we're going to add that tax amount to the value. So again, when we go to pay to check out, the total is actually going to be $283.80. So that 0.8, remember when we're rounding to the nearest cent, there needs to be two numbers after the decimal. So if you're on a budget, if you can't spend more than a certain amount, it's really good to know, well, what is your sales tax going to be? Because really, look, we paid more than we thought we would when we're shopping. Okay, so there's a couple more. Determine the amount of sales tax. It's 7.5% again. This time it's on $56.80. So the tax would be $4.26. And then calculate the total amount of sales tax, or total amount of sales after the tax has been added back on. So this is like the one we just did, but now our tax is 8.25% and we're spending $63. Alright, so we're gonna take $63 and add our last answer, that's the tax, but we need to round to the nearest cent, so 68.1975. So cent is two numbers, right? And we want to look here. Since this 7 is greater than 5, this 9 has to go up, but it's as high as it can go. So now we change the 19 to a 20. So 68.20 would be our rounded answer.